Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. My name is Prince Meyson. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this shimmery background effect for your images. It is simple, easy and cheap. But before we get into that, I want to tell you guys a few tips that will help you achieve this particular look. First things first, you need fast lenses. You need a lens that can shoot from 2.8 downwards. If you probably have a lens of 3.5, you can also try this out, or 4.5 if it's long enough. If you know how to create like bokeh and you know the rules to creating like this really good depth of field, then this will work perfectly for you. Secondly, you need long lenses. Like I said, you need a lens with long focal length, probably 85 upwards will work perfectly for an image like this. And thirdly, the distance between your subject and the background is very important. If you put these three things together, then you make a great and stunning image. These are three things I did to make this image come to life, and also my light setup. So I'm going to go to the studio right now to show you guys everything I did. But before we do that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. We're trying to get this channel to 50,000 subscribers. Hit the bell icon so you can be one of the first people to know when I put out new content. Also like this video and do not forget to comment below. Let me know if this helped you in any way. Also, after watching this video, if you do the same thing, tag me on Instagram so I can see what you've done, and I'll probably comment on your images. So now we're going to go straight to the studio, and from there we'll go to capture one, where I'll show you guys the images I got using this technique, and I'll also show you one final image which I have retouched. That's like the only image I've retouched for now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys at the studio. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new YouTube video. Today I just want to show you guys my setup. So basically it's about making your own custom backgrounds. Say hi to Ify, she's our model for today. So today I made these custom backgrounds with wrapping paper basically, and this is how it looks here. Doesn't look too good, and I'm lighting them with this LED lamp that's here. It's just going to get in focus, yes, so you guys can see it. This one, then this LED too. So I'm lighting this background from both sides, and that's just what it looks like. So guys, I want to show you how we created this backdrop. So this is a gift wrap from, it's cheap, you can get it anywhere. And the other side is kind of like, looks like a foil paper. But I think this is cheaper than the foil paper, so that's why we use this. It looks like a foil paper. So all you have to do is squeeze it like very, very well. That's what you have to do. Then once you let it out, you know, it has like a lot of wrinkles on it. So when light bounces off it, it's going to create this really nice bouquet. And then you just stick it on the wall here. No, we didn't stick ours on the wall, but we just put it on this plywood thing backdrop that we have here. So this is our main light. It's set at, I think 1/64, basically. Yes, so it's not really high, and I'm using a Godox AD360 Mark II to shoot in this Celens Octa, and that's all. This is our light. Then we have a reflector. I put a reflector beneath or under our model's face, so bounce light back. Where's the reflector? So I'll show them. That you can't find the other one. Oh wow! Just give me the reflector. Okay, great. So this is what it looks like. Light hits our model's face. This hits our model's face. Then we have the reflector bounce light back at her, and we have these two LED lights basically lighting the background. So I'm shooting at f2.8 all through. I shot with my Canon 70-200 and my Canon 100mm lens with my Sony a7R III basically. And yeah, I'll show you guys the end results after this. Say hi to Sisi Okwe. This is our makeup artist for today. You guys should definitely follow her. Check her YouTube out. I'll put it in the description below so you guys can see it. And this is Sisi. This is our hairstylist. He's one of the best in Lagos, Nigeria. Just Lagos. Anywhere outside Lagos. So that's Sisi Okwe, and I'm just going to step back so you guys can see our full light setup. So it's all about using custom backdrops. At the end of the day, you can do whatever you want to do with any backdrop, and it will come out looking good. I think this cost me 1,000 naira, and that is, okay, I bought 10. It cost me 1,000. Yeah, so we used we used four here, eight. Then we have the other two there. So basically 800 naira, that's $2, $3. Yeah, that's about $3 to make this custom backdrop. Yeah, less than £2. And I'll show you guys the end results very soon, so you guys should definitely check it out. Ify, say bye. What's your Instagram handle? Okay, I'll definitely put her stuff in the description, and everybody, so you guys can follow them and check out their work. And I'll see you guys in the next video, or I'll see you guys when I'm showing you guys the final images. So, bye-bye.
Peace out.
Peace out. So guys, now we're in Capture One, and I just want to show you some of the final images from this shoot and just go through a few of them. As you can see through our settings here, it was at ISO 200, I shot at 1/100th of a second, f2.8 and at 200 mm. And these are just some of the images from this shoot. The reason why I shot at ISO 200 instead of 100 when I'm shooting in the studio, that like I usually do, is because I had to expose for the background first, and the LEDs weren't bright enough, but the studio strobes I had were actually too bright, so I just had to use LEDs. And yeah, these are the final results that I got. And as you can see, I shot with both the 100 mm macro lens, the normal one, not the L series, and I also shot with the Canon 70-200. So that's about it. I'm going to come down to my selects folder and show you guys. This is a before. Basically, let me clone new variant. So this is what came out of the camera. Capture One adjustment, got it to look like this, and final image in Photoshop. So that's about it. Like I said, straight out of the camera, Capture One adjustment, and this is the final retouched image in Photoshop. So thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe and like, comment, let me know if you enjoyed today's video and if you want to see more content like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great week. Peace.